very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Tanish Chaudhary and I am Assistant Professor Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. And today we are going to conduct a practical of BSc Sem 3 that is of inorganic chemistry practical. The aim of our experiment is determination of electrical conductivity in given soil sample. The requirements are our weighing machine, conductivity cell, conductivity meter, then glass rod, beaker, 0.01 normal potassium chloride solution and our soil sample solution. Principle: the amount of soluble salts in a given sample is expressed in terms of electrical conductivity and which is measured by conductometer. Now, the procedure in this experiment requires following steps. In the very first step, take 20 grams of our soil sample in 100 ml beaker. Then add 40 ml of distilled water in it and stir it intermittently for about 30 minutes. Then filter it. The supernatant liquid what we will get is our sample electrical conductivity to be taken. Side by side, we have to calibrate the conductivity meter by using 0.01 normal KCl solution. Then we have to determine the conductivity of that supernatant liquid with the help of conductivity meter. And then we have to repeat the procedure 3 times and take out the mean. Now, after the experimental part, we will discuss what we have observed. Okay? So, here is our observation table and we have repeated the readings 3 times and we will take out the mean of our readings. Whatever the mean, that will be our electrical conductivity of our sample solution. Okay? So now the EC, that is the electrical conductivity of the given soil sample, is reported in units, that is millimoles per centimeter. Okay? Now some precautions we have to strictly take, that is number 1, properly calibrate the conductivity cell as well as wash it regularly. Then second, prepare 2 to 3 soil sample solutions, and then third, shake intermittently the soil sample before taking the readings. Now we will move towards our experimental part on table. Now we are going to start our procedure part. So in this procedure part, here this is our weighing machine and here I have set it to 0. Okay. This is a 100 ml beaker and here I have taken 40 ml of distilled water. Now I will measure 20 grams of soil sample. So here 20 grams of soil sample. So we have measured 20 grams of our soil sample and now we are going to add this soil sample in this 40 ml of distilled water. And next is our very important step, that we have to shake it intermittently for 30 minutes so that all the salts present in the soil, they gets ionizes completely and gives the conductivity readings. This is the supernatant liquid of our given soil sample. So this soil sample in distilled water and after shaking it intermittently for 30 minutes. Okay. Now we are going to filter it and here it is our supernatant liquid. Okay. So this supernatant liquid is now ready for our electrical conductivity measurement. Initially, we will set our conductivity meter to 0 and then we will proceed towards our further electrical conductivity readings. So here it is our conductivity meter and it is our conductivity cell, and now I am dipping it inside the distilled water to set the cell constant. So here we are getting that is 0.999, that is approximately 1. I am going to dip it inside our 0.01 normal KCl solution, which is used to calibrate this conductivity meter. Okay? So I am dipping it inside this KCl solution as it is very stable. So it is used for calibration, and here our conductivity measurement is 1.172. Okay. Now for following the proper precautions, I have to wash it with distilled water. Okay. So I am washing it. These are my samples, soil samples, supernatant liquid, and I am going to dip inside this soil sample for taking the electrical conductivity measurement of our this soil sample. And it is observed that the conductivity of our this soil sample is 0.521, and in this way we will take 2 more readings, and then we will take out the mean of all these 3, and whatever the mean, it will be our electrical conductivity of our soil sample. After taking out the readings of electrical conductivity, so we will discuss what we have observed. So we have taken 3 concurrent readings. First, our electrical conductivity reading comes 0.521. Our second reading is 0.522 and our third reading is 0.522. Okay? And after taking out the mean, our electrical conductivity reading is 0.5216. Okay? So now about the result report. That is, the electrical conductivity of our given soil sample is 0.5216 millimoles per centimeter, or so this was all about our today's experiment, that is the determination of electrical conductivity in given soil sample.